Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert inch to centimeter in Google Sheets. So let's start it. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show convert inch to centimeter. Now we can see in show the start from the inch to centimeter. Now select from the centimeter. Now keyboard press from the equal option. Now type from the convert. Then select from the inch. Now press from the comma. Now type from the double quotation. Now press from the inch. Again double quotation. Again comma. Again double quotation. And centimeter. Same. Again double quotation. Now close the first bracket, then press from the enter. That's it. Now click for a tick mark. That's it. Then I show convert inch to centimeter in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.